Malacanang says it is amenable to a sin tax measure with a revenue target of 40 billion pesos. The amount is lower than the original 60 billion pesos sought by the palace. This report from Rocky Ignacio.
Malacanang is satisfied with the 40 billion pesos compromise revenue target of the sin tax bill. Presidential spokesperson Edwin Lacerda considers the compromise budget as a victory for the Filipino people.
I wouldn't know if it's a victory if for the 60 billion, the idea for 60 billion is that you're able to address the healthcare coverage in this number of years. You lower it down to 40 billion, the healthcare would extend a little bit. The coverage will extend a little bit longer than necessary. It's certainly, if we're able to get an amount that is preferred by the administration, it is a victory for the Filipino people.
Lacerda made a statement after Senator Franklin Drilon took over the Ways and Means Committee chairmanship vacated by Senator Ralph Recto. Drilon is a known ally of the Aquino administration, but Lacerda claimed the goal is to generate a higher revenue target to strengthen government's health services such as the Universal Healthcare Program. Under the administration's version of the sin tax bill, the government will generate 60 billion pesos in increasing taxes on cigarettes and alcohol products, higher than Senator Recto's version of 15 to 20 billion pesos in revenues.
Well, ang amin lang po, ang gusto namin mangyari po, magkaroon tayo ng isang sin tax measure which will be an effective sin tax bill that will address revenue and health issues. Siyempre, bilang acting chairman ng Ways and Means, siya po ang magdidirect po niyan sa bill. Nag-usap po kahapon ang mga senador at ang mga cabinet officials. So, hopefully naman, bibilis naman yung proseso.
Meanwhile, Malacanang confirmed that Finance Secretary Cesar Purisima has apologized to Senator Recto on the report about an alleged lobby money from the tobacco industry.
I got a word from Secretary Purisima and this is his text to me. I, as lead cabinet for this issue, apologize to Senator Recto for the misquotes and other statements that may be misinterpreted as unproductive. Yan po ang sabi ni Secretary Purisima.
Lacerda also stressed that Malacanang focused on the merits of the sin tax bill and never resorted to name-calling.
Let me be clear, Secretary Purisima never resorted, or Kim Hinares never resorted to name-calling. So, the name-calling did not start from government officials. So, we have averted, or we have tried to prevent, we have tried to raise the level of public discourse on sin tax purely on its merits and not on descending into name-calling. We have not done it. We did not do it.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.